Welcome back to PCTV News. I'm Mason Millard.
And I'm Katie Lay.
As the school moves back towards a normalcy, we've been wondering about how or if vending machines will make a comeback.
Mason Millard and Ryan Johnson interviewed Principal Jones to figure it out. Let's watch.
Originally, the vending machines were not being utilized because of COVID, so they shut them down. I think the previous semester. So when I came on as a new principal, 2 years ago, they weren't even being utilized because of that, right? So we didn't want kids going to vending machine to get snacks because it was just, we couldn't trace what was going on. So originally that's how it all started being shut down, is that they weren't even working because of the pandemic we were in.
Other school or whatever, where they were vending machines or something?
Well, I think sometimes, to provide a snack during the day, I think what you've seen people move away from vending machines is we have the Healthy Act that Michelle Obama started maybe 8 years ago, where you're seeing a lot of things being even changed in our cafeterias, right? So that's part of the initiative too, that you've seen a lot of vending machines shut down if they're not going to have healthy snacks. So whether it's popcorn, chips, or certain things like that. So I think schools have been intentional about not providing like Reese's Pieces and Snickers and things like that during the day. So on one hand, we want to give kids that boost they need in the middle of the day, but on the second, we've just kind of taken a different direction from a wellness standpoint of why we feel like that's not really great for our kids.
So is there any possibility that they could come back?
Probably not. I'm not interested. To be honest, I think right now, we are still trying to get kids just to be in class on time, right? And we have an issue around kids going to the bathroom all the time. I just think this would be another thing for us to try to manage right now. I'm going to get some hot chips, or I'm going to get, a Snickers or whatnot. And I just think we need to get some foundational things down as a school before we start offering vending machines. However, I do think with the new school, there is opportunity to build it in. So when we start over, it'll be a natural thing. So I just think we for a little bit longer, we'll kind of hold out on how we do that.
If they're not coming back, then what will happen to the vending machines?
Probably send them back to the company that, provides the things for them. We'd send them back. I think we moved one away. There used to be one right outside of Mr. Middleton's, the athletic office. When I first, we cleaned, but remember the vending machine was there. It was kind of a mess over there. We moved it up, and they've done a great display of athletics, and we got to feature kids, sports achievement, sports Pirates of the Week. So we've kind of just made space and moved them around. So I don't even know where they're at now.
Do some awards like you did over there?
Yeah, we always looking for a beautification of the school. I don't like to see any bare bulletin boards, right? It's kind of crazy, but we're very intentional about making sure there's something up, whether we're highlighting kids, whether they're going to college or post-secondary stuff. So we've taken the opportunity to try to beautify our school up a little bit in spaces where maybe there wasn't.
Kind of sucks to hear that the vending machines won't be coming back anytime soon.
I know, I really miss them. But hey, at least we still have the playoff games.
Well, Abel Grabowski, Nash Brown, and Marquise Brown tested some students on their knowledge of football in general.
Let's see how they did.
All right, Cooper, pick a category and question.
Draft bust 100.
What NHL draft bust was taken #1 overall in 2007 by the Raiders by way of the LSU?
Mason. Who is Jamarcus Wilson?
Correct.
Wait. This dude was raising his hand. I still think he was
I'm so confused.
Yeah, you got the point, bud.
Okay,
You
good.
got the point. You got 100 points.
Cool.
All right, Mason.
Let's go. Career leaders 100.
Brian. Who is?
That's him.
Yeah.
In my head, it was between Emmett Smith and Barry Sanders.
Barry Sanders was trying to do it.
Right, Ryan.
Barry
That's right.
Yeah.
Oh, let's do random history 100.
Oh boy.
Who is the most valuable team in the NFL according to Forbes?
Mason.
Ryan. Who is the Dallas Cowboys?
That's gotta be it. Yeah.
That is correct.
I was kind of like going between New York teams because they make a lot
Yeah.
of money, but
That's true.
Ryan, your turn.
random history 300.
Who has thrown the most interceptions?
Ryan.
Ryan.
Brett Favre.
That is correct. Your turn again.
Random history 400.
Who has the most?
Ryan
Mason.
Cooper.
Right.
You got it first.
Oh, okay. Oh, who is John Ross?
Oh, that's it. Yeah.
Random history 500.
Who was the Chiefs' first round?
Cooper. It was Patrick
No. It was Eric Fisher, right?
No,
No,
it was Patrick
it was
Mahomes.
Dang it.
It was
Yeah.
Patrick Mahomes. 10th
That
pick
was-
in the first
that
round
was
of
earlier,
2017.
That was earlier. I thought it said first pick, not first round. Not first round pick.
The correct answer is Patrick.
Yeah, I thought it was. I thought it said
Wait,
first
was
pick.
that for 500?
Yeah.
Oh
Yes.
god, I really.
Super Bowl history 200.
All right, crap.
What player has won the most Super Bowls individually?
Cooper.
Cooper.
Tom Brady.
How is that?
That is
two?
correct. Correct, Cooper.
Super Bowl history 300.
What Super Bowl winning team was led by the
Right. Cooper.
The Raiders. Who is the Raiders?
Who are they?
Felons.
Yeah, let's do career league 500.
You can't put that in.
Who holds the record for most passes in
Right. Okay, guess here. Who is Deion Sanders?
That is
Cooper.
correct.
Okay.
Who's Lawrence Taylor?
That is Mason.
Defended.
Well, yeah, I'd like to try.
deflect.
D-line would not help that. Can I
No.
guess?
No.
Night train
The
mode.
correct
Night
answer
train
is
mode.
Champ Bailey.
It was a defense line.
Champ Bailey's not a D-line. He's a corner.
Cooper.
Let's go back to Ryan.
Super Bowl history 500.
Oh,
Nash told me this. Like, I know the answer. Nash told me. I forgot his name.
I've heard this too, but I forgot his name.
Nash told us.
Yeah.
I don't think any of you guys are going to be able to show me this question.
Well, Cooper.
You don't.
Jake Bailey. I don't know. I don't even think
Is
he's
he-
won a Super Bowl.
That is incorrect. Anybody else want to try?
I
I forgot.
don't think.
I forgot his name.
I don't think it's been Terry.
No. I
No.
Right, the correct answer is Desmond Howard.
Yeah.
Right.
My favorite team.
Ryan.
It's your favorite team.
Draft Bust 500.
What NFL draft bust was taken first overall in 2002 NFL draft by the
Yeah, Mason. Who is David Carr?
That is correct.
You wouldn't know the bust.
Yes.
All right, Mason.
Draft bus 400.
Yeah, of course.
See what
What
comes around?
NFL draft bust was famously taken by the Browns in the 1999 NFL draft first overall?
Mason.
Mason.
Tim Couch.
That's
That is
what I was.
correct.
Yes.
You guys what? You guys just study draft bust?
No, I've just seen these.
Mason, your turn again.
How many
Draft
more
bus
of these
300.
So
Browns
So
players?
weird. So weird.
What NFL bust was taken after Peyton Manning in
Oh.
the 1998 draft? That is
Mason.
Mason.
It's gonna be Ryan Leaf.
That is also correct.
Yo, what the
This is your turn again.
Draft bus
He's
200.
gonna win clearly off draft bust.
Yeah, exactly.
What? Like
What
what?
NFL bust was taken number 22 overall out of the Texans A&M in the 2014?
Oh!
Known as one of the best college quarterbacks of
Cooper.
Mason.
Ryan.
Yes, Johnny Manziel. Johnny Football.
That is correct.
Bro, this man won solely off a draft.
You're out of draft bust now, so.
Yeah, now you actually gotta know something.
Dang. Shut up.
Did Nash make this? Figures. We're gonna do Super Bowl history 400.
Glenn Dawson was the Super Bowl MVP for which team?
Ryan.
Cooper.
Chiefs.
That is correct.
What Super Bowl?
Super Bowl
It's like
3 or 4?
It's 4.
It's 4.
4.
Yeah.
Career leader is 400.
Who has the most interceptions in
Ryan.
Ryan?
Let's go, Paul Krause.
That is correct.
I could get some people. Career leader is 300.
Who holds the career lead in completions, passing touchdowns?
Cooper.
Ryan.
Duke, nice.
Wait, passing touchdowns,
Passing touchdowns.
Oh.
passing yards, and Tom Brady.
Oh, come
That
on,
is
man.
correct.
Why'd you take so long to answer that?
Well, because
Why'd you take so long
because
to
Drew
answer
Brees
that?
had the record before.
This was like
I
national
was like-
news when he broke it, bro.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, because he gave away
It's
the
safe
ball.
to say Cooper's not gonna win.
Holder street for 100.
Only 100?
Who has won the most Super Bowls in NFL?
Ryan. Wait, player team.
You should have listened to the question.
Yeah.
right?
Cooper.
Pretty quiet.
Alright.
Ryan.
Oh, answer.
Or Steelers,
No,
Steelers,
no,
Steelers,
wait,
Steelers.
no,
hey.
Cooper.
Steelers.
Cooper.
Steelers. I didn't finish the
Mason,
I didn't
Mason,
finish
Mason.
Answer.
Mason.
Steelers.
That is correct.
What? What?
I didn't finish my sentence. I said cows.
Come on.
Steelers.
No, the Cow Steelers aren't even a team, so you got it wrong.
I said Steelers. Right, I said Steelers.
Ryan, your turn.
Ouch. I probably should have got that wrong, huh? Career leader's 200.
Who is the all-time leader in receiving yards and touchdowns?
Ryan.
Ryan.
Is it Jerry Rice?
That is correct.
That'd be right, yeah.
You have 2 left.
Players alma mater 200.
Where did Peyton Manning?
Mason.
Cooper.
Mason.
Tennessee.
That is correct.
Yeah, I was
Dude,
about
only
to
knows
say
like
I was about to say Ole Miss,
Nothing
but
about NFL.
that's where Eli went.
1.
No, Eli went to Ole Miss, yeah.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Let's go to the last
Eli-
one.
Do like where did Patrick Mahomes go to college?
Where did Tom Brady go to college?
Mason.
Ryan.
Mason.
Michigan.
That is correct.
Wow, Ryan knows a lot about football.
I know, you did pretty well too.
Yeah, I basically only knew the draft bus. Well, next we have announcements.
On February 9th, we have a PLC Day and parent-teacher conferences.
On February 10th, there's a Board of Education meeting from 6:30 to 8 p.m.
That's all we have for today. Thanks for tuning in.
And remember, it's always a great day to be a pirate.